Okay, this is a trainer kit. It can perform 4-bit adder and a 4-bit subtractor. Now if you observe here, two ICs are available. This is your 7483 IC 7483 means adder IC, 4-bit adder IC, and this one is 7486 IC. It is XR. I will explain why we are going to use XR. Right. Next one. So in the name itself, it is adder as well as subtractor. The same kit can act as a adder as well as subtractor. Just one controlling button here. So you can observe here, one controlling button is a upward add printed here in this trainer kit, and below sub is printed. Sub means subtraction, add means addition. Okay. Next. Okay. So you can observe here, 4-bit adder. So observe, there are 4 full adders because we are discussing 4-bit full adder, 4-bit adder. So 4-bit adder means we are going to use 4 full adders. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Observe each full adder 2 bits. Each full adder 2 bits. Now observe in this diagram here. Let us A0, A1, A2, A3 is 1 4-bit, and one more thing is B0, B1, B2, B3. Now observe here XR. Now we have seen some diagram. All inputs are directly given to the adders. Now what happened to the XR? Let us assume inputs A, B and output in XR 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0. You know the truth table of XR, this one. Now let us assume this is your control bit. If you observe here, whenever one input is 0 in XR, if one input is 0, what is the output? Check here. Let us assume this is your one input, controlling input. Let us assume this is your control input. Whatever it may be, we can observe. Okay, so if input is 0, the other input is 0, output is 0. If one input is 0, other input is 1, the output is mean. Observe this one and this one. Let us assume here, coming to our kit, in this kit, this button is given to all XOR gates. This button is connected to all XOR gates. Okay, and for each XOR gate, one more bit is from B, that is B0, B1, B2, B3. Now you are going to check what is the output of this XOR gate. Let us assume this button may be 0, this button may be 1. Now, just now we observe the truth table. If this button is 0, output of XOR is depending upon another input. Observe here, once again, if only up to this point, if we observe only this part. So, if button is 0, what is output? Output is whatever the other bit. Other bit is 0, output is 0. If other bit is 1, output also 1. So XOR gate, if one input is 0, the output of XOR gate is another input, second input, whatever the second input. If it is 0, output is 0. If it is 1, output is also 1. So that's why coming to our kit, so I'm going to keep adder. Adder means it provides 0. So for all XOR gates, one input is 0. The other input is what you are applied. Whatever you applied, same thing you will get at the output of XOR. Just now we checked from the truth table. Now we are going to give connections. Now A3 is your MSB. A2. Okay, like this. Means you please once again observe here. Let us assume I will take 2 numbers. Nana. A is equal to A3, A2, A1, A0, and one more number B is equal to B3, B2, B1, B0. Observe here A3, B3 are MSB, A0, B0 are LSB. Right. So here I am connecting A3 here, A2 here, A1 here, A0 here. Completed. Now one more B3, B2, B1, B0. B3 here. One more B2 here. One more B1 here. and one more B naught here. Complete. Now, so I'll take one example to understand you people. Let us assume A is equal to 12 and B is equal to 6. A is equal to 12 and B is equal to 6. So you know that what 12 means, you know that in binary 1100. 6 means, you know that in binary 0110. Right. So addition means, you know that A plus B. You know that A plus B is equal to 18 in decimal. Now do the same. G plus 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. 1 plus 1, 1, 0. Observe, this is your carry. This is your carry. So this is your answer and this is your carry. Okay. So we observed one example, 12 plus 6. 12 plus 6. So I am going to give connections. So here you may get sometimes carry. Sometimes you may not get a carry also. So I am going to connect in the diagram. I am going to connect at carry. Everything is printed on the pen. Here they mentioned carry here. So I am placing carry at the top. After that, I am going to pick this is your MSD S3, S2, S1, S0. They are printed in the breadboard. Sorry, in the trailer kit. S3, S2, S1, S0. Connections are completed. So this is your carry, this is your sum. Now I am going to start the trainer kit on. So in my example, just now I took one example, A12, B6. So I'll apply same thing. 12 means 1100. Right? 12. Next 6 means 0110. So fast 0110. 0110. Now check output. Check output here. In my output, observe here, in my output, carry is 1, answer is 0010. Check here. So here, this is your carry is 1 and answer is 0010. So we observe like this. So depending upon the example, suppose I will take one more example. For example, 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2 means 0010. Here also I will keep 1 second. 2 plus 2, just we are observing 0010. What is 0010? 0010 means 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Means there is no carry. Observe here whether 4 is a 1 second.
0100.
Please. So 2 plus 2 means 4. So there is no carry, means carry is 0. So 4, 0100. So we verified. So sometimes output may be 0, means carry may be 0, carry may be 1, depending upon your example. That's all. Okay, just now we completed addition, means 4 bit. Next is subtraction. So I'll take same example, 12 minus 6. I'll take same example, 12 minus 6. You know that 12 minus 6 is, answer is 6. So first I'll write 12 as it is, 1100. Next, in this kit, by observing, it is a 2, by using 2's complement, subtraction is used in the kit. So 2's complement of 6. You know that 2's this is 6. 2's complement of 6 is, how to write 2's complement? From right side up to first one as it is. Up to first one as it is. After that, complement the bits 0, 1. This is your 2's complement of your 6. So I am writing same thing. So I wrote here 1100 and 2's complement of 6 is, just now I wrote 1010. So I will write 1010 and add 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. What is 12 minus 6? 6. What you got here? Here. Whenever carry observed, then you please discard the carry. Leave it. Leave it the carry and observe the remaining bits only. 0110 is 6 only. So we got subtraction also. 12 minus 6 is 6 itself. So we are going to verify the same thing. Why we are going to use this one? You please observe the diagram here. Before that, coming to this picture, Karan. So you know that what is 2's complement? 2's complement is equal to 1's complement plus 1. 2's complement is equal to 1's complement plus 1. Now observe the exact truth table. Whenever bit, because the control bit is 1, if your input is 0, output is 1. Observe this combination now. For addition, we observe this combination. Observe this one. Just now I told the control button. Addition, subtraction. Addition means your control button is 0. Subtraction means your control button is 1. Whenever control button is 1 means when one input of XOR is 1, the other input is 0, the output is depending upon this input complement. If it is 0, it is 1. If it is 1, it is 0. Means complement of your bit. This is 1's complement. So for that, so we are doing 1's complement plus 1. That's why here, button. When I am putting subtraction, the button 1 is added here. 1. So your number will come from top side and 1 will be added. That is 2's complement will be done inside the circuit diagram. Now I will check same example. 12 minus 6. 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 0. Right? 1 1 0 0 and 0 1 1 0. 12 minus 6. What is the answer? You can cross check here. Just now I told carry is 1. Leave it. Discard the carry. And remaining observe 0 1 1 0. 6. So we verified answer is 6. You can check carry we connected at top. Just now we verified with pen also 1 0 1 1 0. You have to discard the carry and you have to observe the remaining bits. That's all. So by using only one kit, you can observe addition as well as subtraction. You can check anything. Suppose you can take, for example, 5 minus 4. What is 5 minus 4? 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 means 0 1 0 1. Right? 0 1 0 1. Whenever LED is on, 1. LED is off, 0. This is 5. 5 minus 1, for example. This is 5 minus 1. What is 5 minus 1? Answer is 4. You can check here whether answer is 4 or not. Just now I told whenever carries comes into the picture, just discard the carry and observe the remaining bits. That is S3, S2, S1, S0. What is the answer? 0 1 0 0. You know that 0 1 0 0 is 4. Like that you can cross check any answer. So I will cross one more thing you can observe. Suppose 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 means 0 1, sorry, 8 minus 3 means 1 0 0. 8 minus 3, 0 0 1 1. So 8 1 0 0, 3 means 0 0 1 1. 8 minus 3. What is the answer? 5 0 1 0 1. Right? We got same thing. So 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 plus 3, 11. Just change the button to addition. Because we already input as 8 3. 8 minus 3, 5. 8 plus 3, how much? 8 plus 3 is 11. So observe here, carry is 0. 1 0 1 1 means 11 only. Okay. So by giving any combination of input A and B at a time, you can check addition as well as subtraction of your 2 4 bits. That is, it is act as a 4-bit adder as well as subtractor. Thank you.